versus nawata toxic pudi oy ko hoy tai che da mo once chabi ready pai handa baw yung biyok to man nawat cosmo is this teasing at top of this tea so ngasi ay na podcast chat Luis ga he came all the way from a curl aduga moigi channel sila Disney ne Strela ne moigi su podcast taw grabane ba adu ngasi gise ay su chat Luis adu it didn't feel like a podcast adum phamaga wari sanaba do maina na wari in conversation or chakreba ko I didn't prepare anything at all aduna I don't know how it's gonna come out kari mala tholok thunu khangde asige podcast se kai kai soiba ngang ki bra du su ai do bap oi hodre atopa impact ki or atopa channel ka kai mamang interview to hiba podcast ko mataw hiba dadi yamne jackson gi bo ko isa adi kai hai ke da ba hai oi da ba I talk tana da gi you know it was very scripted from my part I think jackson man da ko but ngasi gi se yamna flow mo dadi chat ki ba ko aduda I cannot remember anything at all kai kai hai ki bano am the khangre kai soi ki bano kai soi da bano ade aina kamai act to ki bano khutna kamai na to ki bano khut yam hai bra mit yam kupra adu I conscious o help like I was just going with the flow I think that's a good thing yam di phai da ina to bu to hai di yam naturally oina to bu to adu kamai ma la ba tholok tun khangde so anyway mayam please be kind please be kind I saw you in real 1 second so cute thank you I try 제 와칸 한타가 너무 야오기서 와칸디 한타디 보고 와칸 지송한 한타디 봐 와칸 해봐 지송한 한타디 그인 삼싱 옴다 이 카페 아두보 पैसा디 한타디 봐 미스터 코데 아이 와칸디 한타디 but resource 딜로 한타가 I don't know I am recovering financially 아드니 제 danube 나하니 안강 도나 좀 그냥 괜찮다 Liva 2026 근데 chị ấy những cái sắc nói rồi nhưng chị ấy đang nghe nó sẽ chắc ngang không tận này được mà bây giờ hả Boris some Miss Universe Manipur 2026 ki ichegi wishlist share tara mo okay yam lay and guys I did 229 laser views is like katang pausen jage and that is yam athubida akogi Miss Universe Manipur hojik selani and more than before mamang mangdagi henna kenola kani henna chauna henna khoida ayaw khoida kana jahoga da bhai tare ko adugo mamong dine sindoise adum yawraga khankhraga na adum khanjakhre ko adum khalhodra maksu like yamna learn the whole way of experience or doine grooming mentor ga say Miss Universe chaluba ne ba ko doise not Miss Universe India but Miss Universe chaluba personality ne ko doise aiga hana su dum thengna jakra bo doine and I guarantee no one will be walking away you know empty handed adum yamna learn tawraga thokani na khale so handaki Miss Universe Manipur se yaw ro targati matung tholakpada I think you're gonna be fearless you're gonna be very confident adum reborn tawraga hai tare adu maina they expect tawe so any aspiring you know pageant ki experience hai gadra aduga akoi khangna chanaba mayam pageant interest lay balay targati now is a chance aduna akoi isa perfect oy badungai bi kanu aduma chance mayam se loksil horaga ne adun tam na learn talk pa loina ya bane aduna handaki se registration kan taw bane the last date will be you know coming very soon yam thura ani aduna mayam kena taw biyo chance manghan bi kanu id aina ta da ya de or id ta ni ka khalla ka thokpa that's very bad amo aduna sometimes akoi kai learn the house ge haina su khan su maru oy but that's how you win aduna handaki se if pageant pam the boy target I don't want anybody to miss this chance ya amai de ni hena khale handaki sisu ko mamang du jam ya mamang du su some pageant makal mam york pada ai ki kwai de ki happiest and sweetest adi dum su waza ki ba matam hai target it would be Miss Universe Manipur it was very rewarding learn to mun ki ba mayam du su ko handak na mo na helakani and I will also I think will visit aduna I didn't excited oy no ayaw ko taba mayam oy brady khangde but I soon kamay dun yeah I'm excited oy handi kila ko taba and not just that adu pa hamba malay ko first news that I am bringing through this live is the news about Miss Universe Manipur 2026 adu magi ready to biro Aduga Matangda, we have a lot of state pageants coming up. Girls, gear up. Comment ka pa sa pinang makakala nga rin ito sa bahawin ko. Wishlist to high sarake. Miss Brock 2026 top tayo. Yeah, tara ni dun so ito na. Nangay tapang diba? Mayam to. Mga ala na da mga yung yawe. Yung yawe may tabatan dun ay life hazard ay. Morning. To be honest, I fell for you from your music video with Johnny on my team and I'm still obsessed. Thank you. Augie World, please support Monica Miss Universe. Yes, I support Monica. I think she's gonna win something. Like she's gonna place really high. If not the top 3, I see her placing really high. Monica, please support her. Miss Teen Universe Manipur ay talk ya bro. Yay. Yay. My papo iro is there again. Miss Pacific di kandaw kay. My tigre. My tigre. Michi matangkay. Ay, mo live sila ito na yung Michi Katara. No. Chichi, why are you doing auditions so fast? I think that's because if you have a candidate already choose target, you have more time to prepare. Pageant ki one of the most problematic reports say, having very less time because it's not an easy task. Wardrobe tigi chian ba tigi sponsors tigi traveling and all. Lack itabak nina ko. The more time that you have, the more comfortable and more confident you will be because you will get more time to prepare. Who do you think will be Miss Universe Manipur? I'm not sure. I don't know who's trying this time. 2025 ki Miss Universe lu ito yam 2026 audition how. How? Message to Miss Universe India 2025. Monica, I don't know. I'm not sure that Sika should reach Purita Oroy, I'm sure. But I'm really happy to see you doing, wonderful there. I'm really proud of watching you represent India, not just one India, but the whole of India. And the fact that I got to be with you before, India 2025. I wish you the very, very best, and I have my whole trust and faith in you that you will do something great, and then you will move mountains and bring something back, for India, and we are all proud. Monica, MUI ki budget kaya mong changi, asking for my friend Rosie Sobam. Rosie Sobam de ay ka handag so tomin na ba ngang do oyong gani. Atum tinay niya, she never bothered to ask me. I wonder why. But budget say it depends. During my time, I gidi am na fortunate ibagi live pabagi national costume so adri top wardrobe may so number na sponsor to be because so I saved in terms of lakhs. I only had to worry about my travels and I give ko pagita kapang taday tar. So just 1 lakh mukta ko na yan, which is something very surprising. Yam chang na iba. Handaki as a Pacific kada di 4 or 5 lakhs, let's say. Dumay na chang ba. Adubo for my Miss Universe Manipur India journey dadi it is comfortable. Ma'am, Mr. Rubaru Manipur Tawtore. Yay! Yay! Ayaw bagay all the best. Doesn't daw sila. Heroin to kumao chibet sabat sa kaya pindi hay. Kasi pindi. Gik na bigyan wa ligi dabing ka tawag ka Lauren. Villain ki role am tatawiyo as villain nga tangay dun. Silver Hearts yung. Chase single Roy. Single ni pure. Handa music video dari cheater gi ro malaka ai se ko mo ni portrait to han bi se cheater de gi bully to ngam bi gi saulang bi khana ho bi do mga ta. So the question is I say mambra habit same with mambra habit the pageant to go next pageant. I don't know, still thinking. I khơi din nang nang in Maithire hai nuôi. Haha. No manatra no madi chase international title kini hai bai thasa balai. Okay, that's it. It's semage da. Nombre da I kutle. Want your strongest comeback at MUI? If I come back at MUI, I don't know if how the people will react. Cosmo right over here. Okay, so Boris na hai sa iche that Miss Asia Pacific matam da su hai ki bani iche ki designer do. No, do hai no. Iche matang di iche na pam da su pam da di pam de na hai ko national costume. No. See sa. I don't know. I get the bentok chay. I don't know. Yam bentok chay. It's I get designer sing na nungsiye na ko. Ahing tum da bida. Mogi lai jaba pumba puthok charaga mogi edi thamoyam se ina nushina atura kibodo atu aina uhobadina aina mitno hobanina ahing tumna aina sangbada ya hobanina ko aina setcha kibodo yam nushina set ki aidi sina kai soina pai bra thi bra ai macham ho yin kide yam be thona set ki dum duno kongde I'm happy. I'm really happy that I have people who's willing to do that for me. Then you kida magta haina hogat laga magi da magta tawgi haina adu intention amaga tawbi ida adu duna hena penthok chakibra hai gadra aduna I thoina kashu mi gi gown hen ba maga I kashu compare taw sati I giti I'm very happy with what I wore mi gi mit ni hai tare phase or thi pami pam de hai batude but I go in di I know je haina so like thamoi de shi buka emotional oi I'm not gonna cry but emotional ibuponi kino da ina pung ani ahum nongalam dai ki ko chatlaga fittings taw doine hin sida gai masala chatlaga ko agi mo tuma moi doine tarasan hoi da joy hoi tuma moi doine mayum ga chang da gai moi gi dukan tu raga layam doine ahin du da ko I should dress to try taw raga lam da lap nang thorak doine adu ga nongalaga packing taw se nang na bagi ko ayuk te chat nang na bagi mo tum da bida among thawdar aga yum tana thin laga yaw bi rami adu duna akhoi Manipur di resource phangdeba tasena haragadi but talented oiba designer di everyone here is talented loi talent loi but resource kumba se pakna phangande aina sum khanbada ubada atopa de resource tawlu taragadi aduna with whatever resources that we have adum phajana ba tawbi e na ina khale adu I will never complain about anything mishiloi na mamito. What about new face for Miss Universe Manipur 2026? New face, inquiry we got some inquiries, but I'm not sure like who's gonna show up for real Miss Universe Manipur. But the thing is that I'm so excited, you know. I think it's always gonna be a part of me. The audition first of all, she's the reigning winner. Second of all, I'm also the reigning winner, title holder for the title that I'm holding right now. Our organizations won't allow us at the moment, I believe. And kamay hay to no. Ako yung title ama paina ko. Chahi loy na ama paina atopang ulam sin basa ay gi oina ti kaya taw zaminde kay ginoda nang ay na pangzari ba title dugi full term hay tay chahi or tha pulap to adu respect taw raga loy ti phaw da keep taw raga thamzani ne ko adu chahi loy ne da aina atopang mamulam sin tar gadi Miss ABC haram ba to Miss ABC gi matam lo jeng da Miss XYZ amuk tasin ne na khalasi Miss XYZ am oren khalasa tar gadi hanagi title du katang kino taw ida na magundo mat pay tap na so respect ama oina khalai tai and I gi oina di aina mamang the Miss Northeast yarak pa and atopa khar yarak pa sa pazan ma matam loyal ko ina yaw bi ba ama tari ni ama tu di amulam silud kang de what happened ta ba right there will near pa joined auditions. No, she's the red winner. She'll be there as a guest. She'll be there maybe for the crowning. Jane and Pageant ingag pay matung in na ay nakagsipata second try da anang bana title hold o bungam ba chance him like mali like her naj manika second try da natin going away. Adubo, if you're gonna come back, Pageant, if you're gonna come back for the second time, we have to make sure that something has changed. Like bak na lap tadi na ja manana hamu lang tayo gadi, that's a waste of time and effort and energy. So if you want to try for the second time, I think a lot, of effort ngaha mani dex kiri mai dai nungai Miss Crown International and Cosmo. I will try, but maybe now is not the time. in reality dadi chemuk phab laite means a lot danube nanga sak chap mana bai naw pi ma lai ngoi okay I do mi ga manai hai basu I do kaya harau jate I do kaya ram kainom so mala asida kainom ma copy ba mai di dak to Teacher, what's your height? I'm 5'8". Mansuman Lucena, Patabi Sabdo, single. I come at Makata. You was robbed at Miss Asia Pacific. Oh, am I? I don't know if I can say that. Kaya na the every experience, as a tarag so I feel like, I don't complain. Hi, or second. I don't want to complain. I'm very happy with everything. She's very excited about it, but scared of the budget and stuff, so she's still thinking about it for MUI. Okay, so one thing, girls, whoever who wants to try for Miss Universe India, or let's say Feminabu Hairisi Boko. I'm comfortable in it. I don't have to impress anyone. So, say, don't wait. Prepare oiba or ready oiba do kashungay kano. Don't wait for the time that ID save tong kike paisa tong jing kike do hana ngai ro no buka. If you really want to do it, and if you mentally and physically feel ready, and if you are confident enough, financially high target di ay di financially why go hande ki matang Asia Pacific Japan financially why I still haven't recovered from that, but check confidently kan target di a way will surely come. Adum tholakan lambi ma adum tholakani imong manung masina khagat piro pobo agera friends sina khagat piro pobo agera adagi khoigi leiba lekai or lamgi ahan laman haigadra mapa mapusing mapa mapi haga wahida adugum basing na buyen bi haigadra adum definitely they will come out and help you and nang amount dun yobo ngam gani ba so the sing nang ngam target di nang potential do u target lai target mi ka shuwat loiba ado aigi budi aigi kendra gi MLA approach to the phangi de ko aduga khoigi I expect tawba government ki ahan lama hai tare aduga shu phangi de. However, dama heswa thawnawzam mating sina pang argi wangkhai gi MLA sir Arun Kumar moi anni katang na mating pang ai gi moi ni katang pang ni aduga atai sin ai gi friends ko aduga family moi na tek machine lising amani happy pa aduga manasu loi ko na hangi bangam bai tare aduni aduna adun tho amo malakani. Just if you feel that nang opportunity then nang grab sa lady high target they just grab it tho amo malak chani asing bai tho amo maslak ni aduna si hening ayaw dia salon. Jayasri, hi Danube, it's Jayasri from Tripura, Miss Over Group of Sunday. Yeah, I hope you're doing great, Jayasri. I miss you. Wait, Chichum. Cool. Oh my god. Comment me, I'm super whole trip. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.